If you're someone who wants to become a business analyst, a project manager, or a management consultant, I'm going to tell you the best ways of joining those fields. It starts with whatever job you're currently doing. If you're in customer service, accounts payable, accounts receivable, if you're in payroll, if you're in operations, whatever it is you're doing, what you want to start to do is document the things that you do. If you have standard operating procedures, review them and update them. If you have a way, if your brain works in a way that you like to draw pictures, show how it is that all the areas of your business hang together. If you understand technology, show how systems speak to one another. Draw these pictures. These are really important skills, whether you're a project manager, a business analyst, or a consultant. And then continue these things. Depending on your organization, you may or may not have an opportunity to join a project. Joining a project in that capacity starts to get you down a path where you're a subject matter expert. That means you know what you're talking about. If there's a project that's changing, and get involved, put your hand up for these projects. That is how you're going to start to get that experience and be part of a project team. You're going to get to experience and hear what project managers do and say. You're going to get the opportunity to meet and work with business analysts, as well as other versions of management consultants, functional consultants, strategy consultants, whatever. Okay? When you do that, let's say 6 months, 12 months, you've documented all this activity that your particular work does. You're then becoming a subject matter expert on particular projects. What you then want to do is then you want to look for larger projects that might be in need of a subject matter expert. So whether it's implementing a new CRM if you're in customer service, implementing a new HR payroll system if you're in payroll, and everything in between. See where you can join a business that's looking for someone who has your knowledge. And once you do that, look then and work with the business analysts, the consultants, the project managers to see what work you can do. And here's what I mean. Once you're on a project and you're going into a risk register, whether you're documenting a risk or updating it, you're now contributing to the management of risk. The same goes with issues. If you're working with a project manager, usually they hold on to schedules pretty tightly, but give them their updates to say, you know, we're at 30% complete, we have a blocker, we can't finish our work. If you're using an agile approach, update JIRA. All these incremental activities are going to help you prove that you have worked on projects and that you can then move into a full-time capacity. Once you do that, get either certifications or qualifications that will then really prove that you actually have the body of knowledge. Once you've done these things, then you can move into working on projects. And then once you're working on projects, have a chat with me. I've delivered all sorts of projects around the world, and I can show you how to make sure you deliver them successfully. Good luck.